Well, welcome back to Adventures with Rosy. Apologies, the last vlog when we were up in Auckland got cut a bit short. We all came down with some sort of weird viral infection. I spent a few days in bed. We took one of the kids up to the hospital in the end just to get her checked out. So man, it really knocked us around for probably about 10 days. So apologies for that. It just sort of happened on the way home from Auckland. We were feeling a bit tired that night, and then by the next morning I couldn't get out of bed. So fun times, it spread through the family, everyone passed it on to everyone else, so that was a bit of fun. We've come to Turangi today for a bit of a day trip, and we're going to check out the National Trout Centre. Lake Taupo is famous for its trout fishing, rainbow trout and brown trout, and so we're going to go and check out where they are born and raised and released into the rivers. So this here is the children's fishing pond, and I think on the first Sunday or every few Sundays of the month you can come in with your kids if they're over 5, and they get to fish and catch what looks to be a teenage trout out of this pond here. It's full of them, but quite a cool experience. They gut them for you, and the kids get to take the fish home, which is pretty choice. We'll have to come back when Harvey's a bit older. So once you're done looking at the viewing area, you can actually walk around the entire complex on this riverside walk, which is really nice. There's spots for fly fishing, so you might see someone having a bit of a fish, but really nice sort of bush walk around the outside of the trout hatchery here. How was the trout hatchery? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What was your favourite thing?
My favourite, and I'm not big enough to build in one.
Okay, well I have no idea what his favourite thing was. Apparently he wasn't big enough to go to the building thing. His favourite thing actually was a duck. So there was a part of the river, I guess, that was dammed off, the stream, full of these beautiful big trout, and we're going, look at all the fish, Harvey. There must have been 50 of them in there, and he's saying, look Dad, a duck, look, a duck. I said, yeah, we could have seen a duck for free though. All in all, the trout hatchery is pretty cool though. It does cost $15 an adult. He was free, and it's probably only about an hour to go around it, so value for money, not sure. Pretty good though. There's a good museum there, and it's quite educational. It's neat for the kids to see trout up that close as well. Now, Harvey, I've got a surprise for you at the table. You want to see it? Here we go. Look what came in the mail. Hey, what is it?
And Rosy decorating.
Yes, that's right.
What hell?
We got I'll hold the bottom, you hold the top. We got giant Rosy stickers. So these Jayco Caravans, they come absolutely covered in Jayco decals. It's got one all the way up here and another one down here, and it's got not one but two on the back. So what we thought we'd do, peel a few of those Jayco stickers off. Let's be honest, way too much Jayco advertising on this caravan. In place, we're going to put a couple of these big 40 by 40 centimeter Adventures with Rosy stickers. We've also got some ones that are the Facebook, Instagram and YouTube icons. We'll put those underneath. And so if you're stuck behind this caravan in traffic because I'm driving too slowly, you can jump on, have a Google, what the heck's Adventures with Rosy? And sort of hopefully a few more people discover the channel that way. I think we're going to get those stuck on because tomorrow we are heading over the hill towards Napier. Thanks for watching as always. Really appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate those of you that take the time to leave us comments below and comment on Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate that. We're off to Napier tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. And we're also just about to film the tour of Rosy, so give you guys a full tour of this beautiful rig. So stay tuned for that and have a good one.